Hi guys, good morning. Today is a day of cleaning, and I also just want to get kind of organized with our last bits of moving in. Like I said in my last video, we moved to LA last month, and with all the stuff happening in the world, it was a bit difficult to get settled in. I ordered 2 rugs and they came in, so I want to mop all of the house and then put the rugs down and see how they look and stuff like that. So I'm super excited for that. Yeah, and I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quick. I got this dress from Pretty Little Thing, but then I have this cardigan from Zara that I don't wear that often, to be honest with you. But now that I have this dress, it matches perfectly and it looks like a little cute, you know, loungewear set. And then, woo, of course I have my trusty slippers. I also got them in the gray color. Yeah, anyway, this room is a mess. I need to get to cleaning ASAP, so let's go do that.
I see it now, baby, yeah. More beauty through the prism of your. I'm awake now, where do I start? Can you blame me? I hit go, it can't take. So glad I found you, or you found me. Oh, here on Blue Rock, here on Blue Rock. Met you on Blue Rock, loved you on Blue Rock. Saved me on Blue Rock, here on Blue Rock. Oh. You make me better. You make me better. So much better. On my best day, I can't doubt it. On my best day, I can't count on me. I can't count on me more than I count on you. You saved my life, saved my life. caught up in the middle of. I just wanna give you a little love. Feel like everything you give me up. No, I ain't shit, no, I ain't shit. Even though I feel like I'm the shit. Even though I know I am legit. I know without you I ain't shit. I ain't shit, I ain't shit, I ain't shit. I ain't shit, I ain't shit, I ain't shit. Without you, I ain't shit, I ain't shit. Even if I feel like I'm the shit, no, I ain't shit. You make me better, oh yeah. You make me better, oh. You upgrade everything in me. Turn me to the man I'm supposed to be. Couldn't even tell you what I need. Girl, I've been on my knees, trying to find the best part of me. Guess the shit looking back at me. When I see you look at me, yeah. And I still got problems, I know. But you still ride with me on this road. You see everything they don't see. I ain't tryna sound too insecure, but how the hell your love get pure? In a cold, cold world, I just don't know. No, I ain't shit, no, I ain't shit. Even though I feel like I'm the shit. Even though I know I am legit. I know without you I ain't shit. I ain't shit, I ain't shit, I ain't shit. I ain't shit, I ain't shit, I ain't shit. Without you, I ain't shit, I ain't shit. Even if I feel like I'm the shit, no, I ain't shit.
Though tastes good. Moving that way, yeah. Moving that way, only you. Coming this way, yeah. Nothing in the way, yeah. You're all I want to go so long. Love it when you lift up.
You know I'm the only one that can take you there. All the way I'm fully committed. Feeling like I'm tripping cause you make me feel different. I just wanna give something you can't walk away from. We got something else. Harmony, so hard to come by. Know you feel the difference. Skyline with the salty. Oh, yeah. Girl, you've been down for me. Times get down, but it's still you and me.
Oh my god, her is so fat. Like, I cannot right now. Oh my